channel Home of Programming. In today's session, we will be learning about functions in PHP. In C# video itself, I have explained you clearly what exactly function is, right? So in today's session, I will explain you how to create a function in PHP, right? So before getting into the session, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe and press the notification bell icon if you want to get instant notification about our channel. So before getting started with, I just want to show you something new. So just have a look at it. Yes, so this is a book written by me developing web applications using PHP. So this book is available in Amazon. What the book will do is, so you can use this book as your one-stop solution for all your PHP queries, right? So this book is having simple explanation of all the topics, and it is also having some common code modules that can be used to develop any kind of applications. So if you are developing any project on your own and if you are having some queries, this book will certainly help you. I am giving that assurance to you. So for creating a function in PHP, first create a new PHP program and save it in htdocs folder of your exam, right? So we can go back to C:. Inside C:, we are having exam folder. Inside that we are having htdocs. Inside htdocs, we are having our project folder called PHP series. So in that I am going to save my file. If you want to save it in htdocs folder itself, you can save it, right? So now I have created a new PHP file called functions, right? So here what I am going to do is, I am going to create a set of function, right? So function addition of. So to create a function, the syntax used by PHP is function keyword followed by the name of your function, right? So inside the body of the function we can do any operation that we wish, right? So I am going to have some echo statement called inside addition function. So before printing, we can have some variables like $a equal to 5 and b is equal to 10, right? So inside this we can have breaks statement so that our output comes on next line, right? After that we can calculate the value of C by adding the variables $a and $b, right? So finally we can print that, right? The value of C inside addition function is, right? So in PHP, to concatenate a set of string and your variable, we have to use the operator dot, right? So before printing we can again add break statement, right? So we can repeat this function for adding subtraction, multiplication as well as division, right? Subtraction, again subtraction, right? So we can also change the operators. So another function we are going to have is multiplication. So inside the function we can change the value. So here also change it, right? And we have changed the operator. And finally our division function. So change the plus operator to divide and inside division function, right? So now we have created a set of functions, right? So in order for these functions to be executed, we need to call the function, right? So to call the function, we can just simply use the name of the function itself, right? So without calling, your function will not get executed in any of the programming languages. So in order for the function to be executed, you must call them, right? So now save the program. As we are running PHP program in localhost, we need to start the servers Apache and MySQL. So to start these servers, go to your start menu and search for exam. And when the exam control panel is opened, just start the servers Apache and MySQL, right? So now go to your browser and type localhost, your project name. We are having our project inside a folder called PHP series. So localhost PHP series function.php, which is nothing but our own program, right? So here we have the value of each functions, right? Inside addition function, so we can, if you want to remove as break tag, you can remove it, right? So the value of say inside addition function is 15. After that inside subtraction. So here also if we want to add break statement, we can add it, right? So here each function is working fine, right? So what we have done is we have created a simple function in PHP, which is we have created a function with no parameters, right? So inside a function we have created two variables, and depending on the value of those two variables we have called the functions, right? So now what I am going to do is I am going to create the same set of function with some parameters, right? $a comma $b, right? Here also $a comma $b, right? For each function we can change it as parameterized, right? So $a comma $b. Now our function is parameterized function, right? So when we call the function, the prototype of the function should be matched, right? So here division of $a comma b. So the function is expecting two values. So for that we have to give any two values, say 10 comma 5. So it can be any set of values, right? 50 comma 25, 50 comma 50, right? So we can have only one break statement. So the adding break statement is up to your choice, right? If you want to add it, you can add. So if you don't want to add break statement, you can skip this, right? So here, right? Save and rerun your program. So we have merged the semicolon here. Now save, again rerun the program. So again we are having the same output, right? So if we forgot to add parameters in this function, we might end up with error, right? So now rerun the program. We are having some error, right? So the reason is so in line number 38, exactly 2 expected, right? So the compiler is expecting 2 set of parameters here, that because our function is having some 2 argument, right? So the prototype of your function must match with your calling, right? So this is all about functions in PHP. If you have any queries, or if you want me to create some other interesting set of programs in functions, you can post those in comment section. I will look at it and I will create a program of your choice, right? So until then, stay tuned with Home of Programming. Do subscribe to our channel for getting live updates regarding programming. Thank you.